azure-colored river. The view of the valley of the Sulak river opened unexpectedly after an hour-long trip along the serpentine in an off-road vehicle. The river gets its azure color due to limestone rocks. The shade is really magical, even without filters. And at the bottom of the canyon, boats cut through the waves with their maneuvers. To loud music and the sound of the wind, the boat carried us along the steep slopes. It all looked like a trip on some tropical island. More about Dagestan in the next videos.